All right, so Griffin, we talked about the knowledge of the performance, right? So we talked about how the ball flight reacts and how your angle of attack or club face angle and what have you. So that all looked really good. And we kind of talk about how that the backswing and the downswing kind of results to that. So when you're taking it back, at the top of your backswing, it's kind of a closed club face, right?
Right.
So where would the club face be pointing? Would it be pointing more to the sky or kind of more to the ground?
Pointing more to the sky.
Right. So that will promote the right to left ball flight while you're kind of shallowing it out. So when you're coming down to the ball, if you have a steep angle of attack, would that promote more of a fade or kind of more of a draw?
More of a fade.
Correct, yeah. So you're coming in more steep. That means you're swinging a little more to the left,
Yeah.
and that will be cutting across the ball a little bit. Okay? So this is just kind of lay out a little like checklist for your swing to kind of know, okay, when I get to the top and I'm at this position with a slightly closed club face, I know that if I make my normal move, that it'll just be slightly closed, and that'll promote a draw. And so you kind of know that, and you were showing that to me while you're hitting balls in the range here, right? So that looked great. Another thing to kind of know that during your downswing, if we're swaying at all, we'll have to flip at it, right?
Right.
And if we're just kind of turning, we can just kind of rotate through with our body, right?
Yeah.
So just if you remember to rotate through with the body as opposed to swaying and flipping, that'll also help you be more consistent and hit it more solid for sure. So hopefully that helps you out and that'll look great.
Absolutely.
For sure.
Yeah.
So,
Thank you.
awesome job.
Thanks.
Yeah.